Okay, so after we logged in, we're going to start off learning how to install a theme. Now, Shopify comes with a initial default theme, which we could preview here. So Shopify has two areas, one being free themes and one being the Shopify theme store, which also has free themes, but they're saying you can buy themes. So if we go to explore free themes, it's going to show you a bunch of their free themes that you can get and customize. Or if you would like, you could visit the theme store if you're willing to shell out $80 to $160 to maybe $210, if not more. And these are a one-time purchase. They're used on one website. There's some great looking websites here that are customizable for what you need. Some even have multiple options in one website. Let's try to take an example here where let's say you have some food-based website. So you can see here, this is the default setting for the website, which apparently is cook time. So you will see though that it has almost 3 sub themes, or what they call styles. So you're gonna click on these and you'll see, oh wow, this theme has a style for fashion products. Oh, this one looks like furniture products. This is all the same theme with 3 separate styles. So you can kind of get, if you don't want to use the theme for cooking products, you can, if you have a furniture store, they're obviously trying to get you to purchase their theme because it comes with multiple styles.